Today, I'm going to do a battle of the legendary birds facing the nature something. I forgot the name. But first, we will be doing the legendary birds will be going first, and I'm back. But I forgot to say that. And then it will be the force of nature. I'm just going to call it right now. So, first the legendary birds put on their Pokemon, which is Zapdos, and they put on their Pokemon, which is Thundurus. So Zapdos goes first, right? So it uses Power Volt, 90 HP. Then Thundurus uses Thundurus Noise, so it has 80 HP. It uses Power Volt, which has 10 HP. It uses Thundurus Noise, which this Pokemon is not... Wait, actually in the first turn it's knocked out, because its weaknesses are electric types. So actually this Pokemon has 90 HP left. So then it uses Frost Prism, it has 10 HP left. Then it uses Thundurus Noise, it has 90 HP left. Then it uses Frost Prism, it's knocked out. So then it uses Jet Blast, which it has 30 more HP left. It uses Frost Prism, it has 100. Jet Blast, finished. Power Flame, 20. Jet Blast, 110. Power Flame out. Land's Judgment, which it does, 30 HP left, Power Flame 100, and finally Land's Judgment. So in this battle was quick, but the forces of nature won against the legendary birds. But this is just the first battle. So, because Landorus, Thundurus, and Tornadus. Now I'll just tell you like the best to worst in my opinion. One sec, guys. So I think the now I think for the legendary birds, Arcuna's the worst. I mean the least, and then Moltres, and then Zapdos is the best. And now for this, the force of nature is Tornadus, and then Thundurus, and then Landorus. Which that is true because Thundurus has the advantage over this, Tornadus, and Landorus, I'm pretty sure has the advantage because it's the ground type. And Tornadus, had the advantage over nothing. So, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See ya later!